Let's move to the next sense organ, which is very, very important. Because of this only, eyes we have already seen, and ears. Because of this only, you could hear me. Yeah. With your eyes, we can hear different types of sounds. Our friends talking, sounds of TV, music, sounds of birds chirping, bells ringing, car honking, a baby crying, among all many other sounds. Yeah, we can hear all the different sounds and we can recognize. Okay, if there are 4-5 sounds taking place, you can recognize all this happening. When we put a large seashell to our ears, can you see here? This girl is putting a big seashell to the ears. So when you put the large seashell to your ears, here pulse, we hear a dull roaring sound. Okay, roaring sound. Even if you close your ears with one hand, okay, press your hand and close the ear, you will hear the roaring sound. And that is nothing but the echo of the blood moving through tiny tubes of our ears. No, through the ears the blood is moving, it's flowing, no, gushing, and that you can feel. You can feel the blood moving through your ears. Ears means they are in that small tiny vessels, tube like vessels. Okay. Sometimes we hear the sound made by things which we can see, like we can see an aeroplane flying or a train moving, and also hear them. Yeah, we can see that aeroplane is flying and it's making a noise. At night or in dark area, we cannot see properly, but we can hear the sounds made by various insects and birds. You know, when the mosquito comes near you, can you hear that buzzing sound? Such an irritating sound, isn't it? But you can also hear the birds making a lovely sound. You know, the cuckoo sound in the morning, isn't it? The birds chirping in the morning. It's so beautiful sounds. Some people cannot hear well and they are said to be hard of hearing. Okay? What are they said? Hard of hearing. Means they cannot hear well. No? Hard of hearing. So they should use hearing aid. People who cannot hear, they use hearing aid. Some people find it difficult to hear. Some people find it difficult to hear as they grow old. People, as they grow old, they find very difficult to hear. You know, we have to go closer to them and to speak loudly, and sometimes we have to repeat so many times, isn't it? So this happens to my father-in-law. You know, he is like 88 years old. By looking at him, you can't say all that, okay? He looks younger than that. Sometimes he hears very nicely, but most of the time I have to repeat so many times. You know, the same thing I have to repeat, or sometimes you have to come closer to him. So this happens as you grow old, no children, your senses become weaker and weaker. Yeah. So, in such cases, what happens? The doctor tests the ears and asks them to wear a hearing aid. This word is very important, huh? Hearing aid. When you can't hear, then you have to use hearing aid. Yeah? A hearing aid is a small device which is worn in the ear. In the ear, a small device is you have to wear. Okay, so a small device is worn inside the ear, and what it does, it makes the sound louder. Okay, whatever you are saying, it makes it clear and loud. It amplifies the sound. Okay, it makes it louder. it makes the sound louder and clearer. Some people are born without the ability to hear. Some, they are from the birth only they are dumb and deaf. There are people who are deaf since their birth. Often such people cannot speak. That is why the word is always deaf, dumb and deaf, we say. Those who cannot hear can't speak. Okay? They learn to use sign language to communicate with others. Okay? You must have seen some people using their fingers and talking very loudly because they can't hear, but they use the sign language. So what is sign language? Sign language is a system of communicating by using hands movements, okay? Hand movements instead of spoken words. Okay, children? So here we are done with the hearing part, that is your ears. So we will just revise once more. So what we did, because of the ears, of course we are able to hear everything. If you put your hand on a palm on your ear, you can actually hear the roaring sound, that the movement of the blood. Then people who cannot hear well, they are called hard of hearing. Okay, now moving ahead, people like old people who cannot hear well, what they need hearing aid. Okay, children. So what does hearing aid do? What is hearing aid? It is a device, small device. And what does it do? It makes the sound louder and clearer. Okay, so people who cannot hear since their birth, how do they express their feelings and how do they communicate? So they communicate through sign language. And what is sign language? It is a system of communicating, because they are communicating through that language. Yeah, they're talking means communicating. They are passing their feelings to each other, conveying their feelings to each other, okay, by using the hand movements, okay, instead of spoken words. So here we are done with the this here ear part.